In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up a local environment in order to use JIT on your own Windows PC. Here's how to do it. Go to Chrome, open up Chrome, type in JIT for Windows, click the link that says jitforwindows.org, read the terms and conditions and click Next. Select destination location and click Next. Click Next. Choose Start Menu folder and click Next. Select the editor that you use and click Next. That's right. Click Next. Check Use JIT from JIT Bash only and click Next. Check Use the OpenSSL library and click Next. Check the first option that is there and click Next. Check the first option again and click Next. Check the fourth and click Next. Check all of the options and click Next. That's right. Now click Install. When it's done installing, click Finish and you'll be able to start using JIT. Now on your PC there should be an application called JIT Bash installed. This is a great tool to use for all your future development. First, let's open up JIT Bash. Set up a username and email address. By setting up a username and email address in JIT, any comments made will be recorded and you'll be able to identify who the comments were created by. And this is how to install JIT on Windows. Thanks for watching.